got my paddle. Got my fishing license. We're just waiting on Lou. Lou hooked up on the first cast. My camera is duct taped to the front of the boat, so I can't film Lou. We'll try to catch a fish here for you. Oh, there's one.
Yep. Oh, that's a silver. Hey, I'm jumping in my boat.
No way, dude. Good fight.
Yeah. Silver salmon. That's the one.
Oh, dude, we're gonna have a great time. There we go.
Heck yeah.
So that's a silver salmon.
Yeah.
So it's a coho.
Uh-huh.
Right on. First fish of the day on the first cast.
On the first cast.
Normally it's bad luck, but I don't think it's going to be bad luck today.
Ready for a big one?
Oh, I'm ready for a big one in this tiny kayak. I just caught a big one. Big sucker. 10-foot rod in like a 6-foot boat.
How's casting on a kayak?
Oh, it is a great time.
I didn't think it would be that bad.
I just got to get situated.
I just missed it nice.
What an experience this is. Oh yeah, there's one. That is freaking sweet. Under the boat. Another silver. Silver salmon. A little orange streamer tied by Rich Ferreira. Miss you, Rich. You be loving it here. We're fishing on a lake in Alaska. Whoops, whoops, whoops. There we go. Got a boat coming in hot. Oh man, you guys are got a little bubble on you. Get that off there.
You look pretty epic over there casting that fly rod in a kayak.
Dude, I can only imagine. How long is this kayak? Like 7 feet? This is a small little vessel. Got some 6-foot rollers coveted.
8-foot rollers, bro.
Oh. Oh, there's the big one right here. Oh. Oh. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. Yes, I have no clue how I got that unsnagged. We are in business. I need a bigger boat. Heyo. Oh, you're trolling. I'm gonna get run over by this boat. I guess I'm fishing right beside the boat launch, so this is my fault. I'm entirely in the wrong here. This is like 3 feet deep. No wonder I'm not catching anything. Right now I'm just trying to dial in what depth these fish are, because you can look out, you see a few rise here and there. And I know Lou's catching them at like 2 feet, 3 feet below the surface with a rooster tail. But I'm catching them at so many different depths, I just can't pinpoint which one they want my setup at. So I let my sink tip sink 1/1000, 2/1000, so on and so forth. Do some different retrieves, just to try to pinpoint what they want. Kind of seems like the ones I'm catching are shallow, but I'm getting some hits when I let it sink deeper. So, but I haven't found the retrieve they really want. I'm very uncomfortable in this kayak. I'm gonna start cramping here soon. I'm gonna have to go to shore. Stretch out, take a leak. Yep, on the hang. I love it when they eat on the hang. Oh, feisty guy. He's gonna make me do circles here. Nope. Another silver. I did catch one rainbow off camera. Don't get in my boat. Don't do this. I don't have room for this, dude. No. Come here. Come here. Don't. There is not enough room for this in this boat for us, okay? There you go. Oh, that could have been bad. There's one. Another silver. Super cool. So it seems to me these fish like to eat on the hang. And what I mean by the hang is when I bring all my line in, just so the fly line's sticking out of the tip about this much before it gets to the leader. Because I don't want to bring my leader into my fly rod. So what you do is you just stop everything. You kind of let the sinking tip just straighten out below you. Maybe have a subtle lift of your rod. And what the flies do is they'll just kind of straighten out. There, I just missed one. They're just kind of sinking. And those fish are eating it when it's sinking or coming back up when you lift your rod tip slowly. And as I was talking, my flies were sinking. And the fish ate it, so I might be onto something here. Fly fishing lakes it's new to me. I've been doing it for like maybe a year now, but not like a ton. But it is fun once you're on some fish. I just found some snacks in my fishing pack. Yeah, it looks nice. Lou's Tow Company.
Now we're moving.
Do you think the bite slowed down?
Yeah.
The wind died. Oh, you want to go to that point?
Yeah.
Straight out ahead. Were you doing good trolling?
Yeah, it was instant, but this is a little fast. It's down there, it's a tuna.
This old stick fish. Add that to the species of Alaska. There she is. Well, I guess my net fell out of the kayak. And I know it doesn't float. But rainbow, dry drop, and a squirmy. It even works in Alaska. There's one. Nice silver on a squirmy. Here he goes.
Having any luck?
Yes, sir. Pretty good day.
Huh?
Pretty good day.
Pretty good, huh?
Yes, sir.
What you catching mostly?
Rainbow trout and coho salmon.
Okay, nice. I think I caught a coho earlier. Just one though.
Yeah.
You using shrimp? Oh, fly fishing.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, it's a struggle sometimes in the kayak, but we're making it work.
Yep. What's that? Thing's stable, isn't it? Yeah.
dude, it's getting unstable.
It's like a boat. Lost the fly rod.